Hello. In this video, we intend to fund the Eightcap broker account using cryptocurrency. We go to the account section and select the live account option. And to add some funds to your account, we simply go ahead and select the fund account option from the menu.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MT4 and MT5 for free now.
In this section, you choose your preferred method, whether you want to use one of the cryptocurrencies, Skrill, Neteller, Visa, MasterCard, or others. Here, we want to fund the account using USDT TRC20. We select that option. In this section, you can either scan the QR code you see using your wallet or copy the address. Then, paste it in the Send section of your wallet and transfer the desired amount to fund your account. Here, you can also see that 1 USDT is approximately equal to 99.9 cents, and if you fund your account for dollars, a slightly lower amount will be credited to your account, and it won't be a one-to-one equivalent. If the recharge amount is important to you, you should take this into consideration as well. It is also mentioned here that some exchanges are not supported. The names of the exchanges are listed: Tether, Anikesh, Arspaya, and other ones you can see here. You should not use these exchanges to recharge your account. We transferred the amount via the wallet. The account balance is currently showing 0. It will likely take a few minutes for the updated amount to be fully reflected in your account. The amount we deposited is now in our trading account, and you can start your trades on the Eightcap broker. In upcoming videos, we will cover other methods of deposit and withdrawal in the Eightcap broker. Wishing you success.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.